victim, people will try and push you, but it's up to you if you want to fall down or get moved by it.
I want to give part of my earnings to them also. Because we're going to give up and bring up kids from high school all the way to college. So I can still work pa naman eh.
So what if something happens to you, you lose your hair, or you get hurt, or you can't see anymore, are you going to give up? No. Because you're going to try and go.
Kasi iniisip ko, bakit ako?
Yes, of course.
Iniisip ko, you know, it doesn't matter kung bakit ako. What matters is somebody was inspired with the message na gusto kong ipahandog when I came back to work, which was, I wanted to inspire all